new car. Okay. Which dollar? 20. Okay, that's to me. Okay. Oh, what will it give me? Oh, it's a new car, what you asked it for. What did I ask for? Well, I'm going to get you a black car with stickers. With a black car because you like black. Oh, Jack Skeleton and the Halloween Ghost. Okay. She might want a purple car. No, I think. No, purple is fine. Well, we run out of purple cars. Oh. Oh. How about magenta cars? We don't have them. We only have black cars. Magenta cars and purple cars are at a different store cars. Someday Daddy might crash his car. Okay. Okay. Honda, let me show you where you can get the black car. It's right in this area. Here it is where black cars are. Okay. Get the black car. That one. Oh, that one with the Halloween stickers and the skeleton human. Jack. Oh, Jack Skeleton. Okay, make it. Okay, make it. Wait, I don't have it. You have it. Got it? Hold on, let me walk out. Can you get some space for me to walk out? Okay, and then get it to me, and then get the dollar. No, you already have a dollar. Okay, and then I'll get you the card. Experiment. There's something next to the store, and that is fire. Hurry, it's on the street. Don't want to race from. It's not a next of the store. It's only a next of one car. You got the box? Yeah. Okay, get it to me. You dropped it. No. I'm gonna get the box. Okay. This box? Yeah, that box. That's the one. That's the only car box. $84. 84? I just give you 20. Oh, yeah. I know it's 20. Yes. Okay. Oh, and also, I have food here. Oh, there's tax? Oh. I have one of these foods. No, these I don't want. I don't want real pumpkins. Okay. Do you have to go to your wheel home? No, I have to go to Lego Express. Oh, bye-bye.